You know, there may be 50 ways to leave your lover, like Paul Simon sings. But right now, we're going to give you 5 ways to find a lost iPhone, which may be more useful. You can probably get a bit panicky if you lose your iPhone or believe it has been stolen. Your contacts, phone numbers, photos, songs, in short, a huge part of your life simply disappears, let alone the price you've paid for the device itself. However, there are several ways that can help you to return your missing gadget. So listen up. Number 1. Find My iPhone. Well, that's the point, isn't it? No, this is an app. The first option you should probably try is Find My iPhone. This is an Apple official application that allows you to use iCloud service to determine the location of your lost or stolen phone. Not to regret your carelessness in case of emergency, set Find My iPhone on your gadget. To switch on this option, you are supposed to have an iCloud account. If you have this settled, tap Settings on your smartphone. Then choose iCloud and tap Find My iPhone. After you have located this option, simply move the slider to On, or if you have iOS 7 and higher, to Green. This option will allow you to use the app in case your phone goes missing. You'll be able to figure out your phone's location, set a different passcode, lock it remotely, and even delete all the data you have in its memory. That's what you need to do if you have found out that you don't have your beloved gadget at hand. Open Find My phone on any other device. You can either start this application or open iCloud in a browser. Sign in using your Apple ID, meaning that you should enter the password you use on your phone. If the device you're using doesn't belong to you, you may need to sign out first and only after that enter your data. Your iPhone is to appear in the list of devices which is reflected below the map. As for the location of your gadget, it will be shown on this map. However, if your phone's battery is dead or someone has turned it off, the application will inform you about the last known place where your phone was used. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Actions. After clicking on it, you'll have a choice: Play Sound, Lost Mode, and Erase iPhone. Alternatively, a panel with these options may just appear after you choose your iPhone from the list. If you press Play Sound, and your iPhone is somewhere nearby, it will start to make some noise which you won't miss. Pick Lost Mode if you believe that you've lost your phone in a place where it can be picked up by someone else, or if you have a suspicion that it has been stolen. Enter the code that unlocks your iPhone. Write a contact phone number and a message that will appear on the screen of your lost iPhone. This way, if a nice person finds your smartphone, they will be able to contact you. If your iPhone turns out to be online, your actions will instantly lock it, and no one will be able to reset it unless they know your lock code. At the same time, you'll be able to see the phone's location and whether it has been transported to another place. In case your phone is offline, if someone tries to power it up, it will immediately lock, and you'll get an email which will help you track your gadget's location. When you get your phone back, you'll be able to unlock it simply by using your own lock code. If you have some secret information on your iPhone and you're terrified that it will get into the wrong hands, use Erase iPhone option. This way, you'll delete all information from the gadget. Number 2. Apple Watch. If you're a happy owner of an Apple Watch, you can always use it when you need to locate your iPhone. Don't forget that to succeed in this task, you'll need to synchronize your iPhone with your Apple Watch. You can use Bluetooth or connect the devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Bring up the Apple Watch's control center. To do this, simply swipe up from the bottom of the watch. Below the Silent Mode, Airplane Mode, and Do Not Disturb buttons, you will see an icon that looks like a little phone surrounded by sound waves. That's the Ping button. Tap on this button, and even if Silent Mode is on, your iPhone will make a sound that will help you to understand where it is. Number 3. Google Timeline. You can also look for your lost iPhone with the help of Google Timeline website. Here's the URL. Unfortunately, you can use this option only if you have enabled location reporting and history on your iPhone. After you open Google Timeline website, you'll see a button Today at the top of the screen. The left sidebar will show you the most recent timeline of your iPhone. Check the last reported location. It will be at the bottom of the timeline. Observe the location data on the timeline to see if your iPhone is moving or staying still. This way, you'll determine if it's just lost or forgotten in your pocket, or stolen and is being moved away. Number 4. GPS tracking applications. Start a browser and go to the official site of the tracking application that you have installed on your iPhone. Obviously, this method to locate your phone will only work if you have downloaded such an application on your gadget beforehand. Nowadays, there are several applications of the kind. Here are some of them. Device Locator. This application doesn't demand a monthly subscription. It simply lets you sign in to a web-based account where you can see the location of your iPhone, lock it, or cause the device to make a noise. Phone Home. Using Phone Home application, you can receive information about the GPS-based location of your lost or stolen iPhone. What's more, this app allows you to take photos remotely. That's why if you're lucky enough, you may even take a picture of the thief. Ooh. Gadget Track. This is both web-based service and an application, which can send the information about your iPhone's location to its servers. Having this data, you can find your gadget using its IP address, map, GPS, and so on. This application also provides an option of remote photography. So if your iPhone has been stolen, you may see who has done this. Mobile Spy. This service is based on subscription and is used to locate lost or stolen smartphones. It includes a web-based personal account, using which you can find your phone, see contacts that have been added, track incoming calls, texts, and emails. To use any of these applications, sign into your web-based account using login and password that you choose when you first installed this app on your phone. After that, you'll be given some instructions that will appear on the screen of the device you're using. Most likely, you'll receive information about the activity of your phone, its previous locations, the most recent phone calls and texts, and other details. You can also contact the developer of the tracking application and ask for their assistance in locating your iPhone. The thing is that such GPS tracking applications can be supported solely by their creators, not by Apple. Number 5. Call your phone. If you can't find your iPhone, you can use any other phone to reach yours. If you're lucky and it's just lying somewhere in your apartment, you'll hear it ring, unless it has silent mode on. If you can't find another phone to make a call, open iCanFindMyPhone.com website. Yes, there is one. There, you will need to enter your phone number, and the site will call your phone instead of you. So, which methods do you use to make sure your iPhone will stay safe even if you lose it? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to press the like button if the information in this video has been useful for you. And remember to subscribe to our channel. That's how you'll always stay on the bright side of life.